Travel is more than just seeing sights, it's about opening your mind to new ways of life. Every corner of the world offers a different perspective. We grow when we step outside our comfort zones, embrace the unknown and embark on a journey of cultural discovery. Traveling introduces us to fascinating cultures. It allows us to learn about different customs and beliefs. We can try new foods and experience unique traditions. Travel broadens our understanding of the world and its people. Japan is a land of ancient customs and modern marvels. The traditional tea ceremony is a must-see experience. It's a ritual that emphasizes harmony and respect. Don't miss the vibrant street food scene in Tokyo. Try takoyaki, octopus balls drizzled with sauce and mayonnaise. India is a country of vibrant colors, spices, and spirituality. The Holi festival, a celebration of color, is a joyous sight to behold. People throw colored powder and water, signifying the triumph of good over evil. Make sure to try a traditional Indian thali. This platter offers a variety of flavors and textures. I'll never forget my first time at a Turkish bathhouse. It was an experience that pushed me out of my comfort zone. The attendants scrubbed me vigorously, leaving my skin feeling incredibly soft. Afterward, I enjoyed a cup of Turkish tea in a relaxing lounge area. It was a unique cultural experience that I'll always remember. Another unforgettable experience was attending a traditional flamenco performance in Spain. The passion and energy of the dancers were captivating. The rhythmic clapping and footwork created an electrifying atmosphere. The experience left me with a deep appreciation for the art of flamenco. Traveling to new places and experiencing different cultures is enriching. It broadens our horizons and challenges our perspectives. It allows us to connect with people from all walks of life. So pack your bags, embrace the unknown, and embark on a journey of cultural discovery. The world is a book, and those who don't travel read only one page. Open your mind to new experiences and let travel transform your life.